Hello students, now I am here to start a third function of management, that is staffing. That is my favorite chapter, and staffing means to say that HRM. In 5 functional department we have studied one department, that is the HRM. So exact meaning of HRM relates to the staffing. What is the definition of staffing? Placing the right people at a right place and a right time. Whenever you are going to start any organization, you need a human resource to work in that organization. यानी आपका जो एक रिसोर्स है वो मैन पावर है और उस मैन पावर को आपको लाना है. सो प्लेसिंग द राइट पीपल एट अ राइट प्लेस एट अ राइट टाइम, दैट इज द स्टाफिंग प्रोसेस. Staffing may be defined as the process of obtaining, utilizing and maintaining a satisfied and satisfactory workforce. यानी कि आपकी ऑर्गेनाइजेशन में जितने पीपल काम कर रहे हैं आप उनको सेटिस्फैक्ट्री ढंग से मेंटेन करके रखो, दैट वुड बी द स्टाफिंग प्रोसेस. Again, I am going to take another one definition, that is the staffing is the personal function of bringing in training and development of a staff and maintaining a favorable conditions of work. Whenever you are working under the staffing department means to say that आप अपने स्टाफ को अच्छे से मेंटेन कर रहे हो और आप अपने स्टाफ के लिए फेवरेबल कंडीशंस ऑफ वर्क को ला रहे हो. सो दैट इज़ द बेसिक मीनिंग ऑफ स्टाफिंग प्रोसेस. यानी कि यू हैव टू सर्च द राइट पर्सन फॉर अ राइट जॉब एट अ राइट टाइम. आपकी ऑर्गेनाइजेशन में आपको काम करने के लिए सही टाइम पे सही पर्सोनल का होना बहुत ज़रूरी है. दैट इज़ द स्टाफिंग प्रोसेस. Now next topic is the need and importance of staffing. That would be the same thing. The first point helps in discovering and obtaining a competent personnel. Personnel means to say the individual who is going to do work for you. So helps in hiring a competent manpower to fill the various job positions within the organization. स्टाफिंग प्रोसेस हमारी हमेशा हेल्प करता है अपनी ऑर्गेनाइजेशन के अंदर जॉब पोजीशंस को फिल्ड अप करने में. सो दैट्स वाई वी कैन से दैट कि स्टाफिंग प्रोसेस हेल्प्स इन डिस्कवरिंग एंड ऑब्टेनिंग अ कॉम्पिटेंट पर्सनल फॉर डूइंग अ वर्क. Second point, ensuring optimum utilization of resources. It leads to the optimum utilization of human resource by avoiding the situation of overstaffing and understaffing. Means to say that whenever you are working under the staffing department, so you have to be take care of things in an organization. There should not be a overstaffing or understaffing. Overstaffing means to say that ज़्यादा मैन पावर का होना और understaffing means to say that कम मैन पावर का होना. So we have to need a proper manpower whatever we want. So staffing process always helps in ensure the optimum utilization of resources. Optimum utilization of resources means to say that here human resource, because we are talking about the human manpower. So manpower is the basic resource in this unit or in this chapter. So that is why we can say that कि हम overstaffing और understaffing की जो problem है उससे बच सकते हैं. Third point, ensure continuous survival and growth. Staffing is a continuous process. It's a never ending process because it's a very simple thing. Whenever you are doing a recruitment of some personnel in your organization, and after some time you need more personnel, so you are going to recruit the another personnel. So if anybody is leaving your organization on that position, you will recruit some other personnel. So that is why staffing is a continuous process and also fosters its growth through a continuous manpower planning and execution. स्टाफिंग हमारी ऑलवेज हेल्प करता है मैन पावर प्लानिंग एंड एग्जीक्यूशन में. फोर्थ पॉइंट, इम्प्रूव्स जॉब सेटिस्फेक्शन एंड मोरल. इन दिस पॉइंट आई विल क्लियर वन थिंग कि वी आर टॉकिंग अबाउट द इंडिविजुअल पर्सोनल हु आर वर्किंग इन आवर ऑर्गेनाइजेशन. It boosts the morale of employee and enhance their job satisfaction by adopting objective method of a performance appraisal and fair system of reward and recognition. कोई भी एम्प्लॉय आपकी ऑर्गेनाइजेशन के अंदर तभी रिटेन होकर रहेगा जब आप उसका रिवॉर्ड एंड रिकॉग्निशन अच्छे से करोगे. सो स्टाफिंग प्रोसेस ऑलवेज बूस्ट करता है एम्प्लॉयज़ के मोरल को. इट एनहांसेस देयर जॉब सेटिस्फेक्शन बाय अडॉप्टिंग ऑब्जेक्टिव मेथड ऑफ परफॉर्मेंस अप्रेजल and a fair system of reward and recognition. We always studied the one principle in a Henry Fayol's stability of a tenure. In this I told you stability of a tenure means to say that how much time a person going to retain in your organization. So that is the same thing कि staffing process always helps you in a stability of a personnel. अगर आपकी ऑर्गेनाइजेशन का स्टाफिंग प्रोसेस जो है वो बहुत अच्छा है तो यू are capable to retain a personnel in your organization, or whatever the money you are spending on that person to training or development of that personnel, so you are spending a cost to that personnel. So your basic criteria is that कि वो person आपको छोड़कर नहीं जाए, वो person maximum से maximum time आपकी organization के अंदर survive करे. So staffing process always boosts the morale of employee and enhance their job satisfaction by adopting a objective method of a performance appraisal and their system of reward and recognition. कि whenever you are getting a good system of reward and recognition, so employee who are working under your organization will be satisfied from your job and the morale of an employee will increase. Or definitely when job satisfaction is having a personnel और morale is boosting, so productivity will enhance. So आपकी जो organization की productivity है वो enhance होगी. Now the fifth point, that is leads to the higher performance. It's a simplest term. It leads to the higher productivity by placing the right personnel at a right job. Whenever you are recruiting the right personnel for a right job, so your productivity will be increased. You can take a simplest example I always taught you in many topics. Even if you are saying the maths teacher to teach you a Hindi, कि maths teacher जो है वो हिंदी पढ़ा दे, it won't be possible with the efficiency and accuracy, because maths teacher has a potential to deal with the mathematics topic. So in a simplest term, जब आप अपनी organization के लिए right personnel, right time और right place पे प्लेस कर रहे हो, सो दैट्स वाई आपकी जो ऑर्गेनाइजेशन है उसकी जो प्रोडक्टिविटी है वो इंक्रीज होगी. सो इन अ सिंपलेस्ट टर्म, वेन एवर आई विल रिव्यू दिस टॉपिक एंड आई विल टेक अ फास्टर रिव्यू. सो स्टाफिंग इन अ सिंपलेस्ट टर्म, प्लेसिंग द राइट पीपल एट अ राइट प्लेस एंड अ राइट टाइम. कि स्टाफिंग का मतलब है सही पीपल को चुनना, सही प्लेस पे बिठाना और सही टाइम पे हमारे पास वो अवेलेबल हो. Need and importance of a staffing helps in discovering and obtaining a competent personnel. हमारी हेल्प करता है competent personnel को सर्च करने में. Ensure the optimum utilization of resources with the help of a staffing process. हम ये सोचते हैं कि हमारा जो ह्यूमन मैन पावर है उसकी वेस्टेज जो है वो बहुत कम होगी, हम ओवर स्टाफिंग और अंडर स्टाफिंग की सिचुएशन से बच जाएंगे. थर्ड पॉइंट, इंश्योर कंटिन्यूस सर्वाइवल ऑफ ग्रोथ. अगर आपका स्टाफिंग प्रोसेस कंटिन्यूस है तो आपकी ऑर्गेनाइजेशन का सर्वाइवल और ग्रोथ भी कंटिन्यूस होगा. Improve job satisfaction and morale. With the help of a good staffing process, your employees' job satisfaction and morale will be increased and leads to a higher performance. Means to say that whenever you are working towards the good personnel, whenever you are working with the good personnel in your organization who is having a 14-year on skills and efficiency, so your productivity will definitely increase. So whenever we are talking about the staffing process, so firstly you should know that कि what are the need and importance of a staffing in your organization. आपकी organization के अंदर need and importance of staffing में सबसे main important point यही है कि at right time, at right place, you need a right personnel to do your work. Yes student, this is the topic for today. Till then, stay tuned and stay with us. Thank you.